It was beautiful. You know what would just set this place off? If there was a sauna just here. Look at this. You're gonna have to use your imagination a little. We could build this out into an awesome sauna, and you can just drive it to wherever you want. You're in here, cooking yourself like a lobster. It's 100 degrees. It's minus 15 outside. You run outside straight down here into the snow. Snow yourself off. Where to get a fireplace? Finland! We'll go to Finland and find a real sauna fireplace and just install it in there. Hopefully an old one. That would be so cool. Road trip. So we have to try and beat COVID. We're trying to get in and out of Finland before we get stuck either here in Norway or there in Finland. So, boys trip out. We're going to buy a sauna oven for our sauna. And what better place to find a sauna oven than the capital of saunas, Finland. So right now we're here in Norway and Finland, Norway, Finland, Norway. We nearly got turned around at the border. We've just been there for about 20 minutes, half an hour while they decided if what we told them was correct. We've been allowed into Finland for about 2 days. They went through and found us on social media and stuff, and were looking through our phones, and then they were, yeah, cool.
Cool, mate.
yeah,
mate.
Yeah, cheers, mate. He tried to do my Australian accent. He was close for a Finnish. But anyway, so now we're in Finland and we're gonna go and find some beer. Try that too. Do you know it?
Finland is a sauna heaven. Even here at the border shop in the absolute middle of nowhere, you can buy a sauna oven and all kinds of other strange equipment for saunas.
Sauna pan with a chain to hang it from the ceiling. Ideal for frying sauna sausages. Oh, sauna sausages.
Something else that's super special to Finland is tar shampoo. You can only buy it here and it smells really delicious.
We're on a sauna oven mission.
Yeah. Where are we going? We're heading further into Finland today. Yeah. Let's go! We're in Muonio, and right here we're gonna go in and have a look for a sauna oven. Oh, look at that. It looks like it's turbocharged. 2-cylinder sauna oven. So we've got this one, the Pallas. Physically, it's a lot smaller. It's the right size, but I think we go and have a bit of a shop around and see what else we can find. I still like the twin-cylinder one though. So we were driving along, and just here in this house, there's a hovercraft here. Let's try and build a North and Beyond hovercraft. It would be so cool. I've never built a hovercraft before, but it would be super cool. All right, let's go. Come on. Oh, look at that thing. Oh, so much stuff. Look what we found. They don't have anything here. Let's go to Kittila. Because of Corona, they had such a bad season here, so they've actually put snow down early, and you can go skiing here. If I had known, I would have bought the snowboard.
At this place we found the best offer up until now. An oven with a water tank and stones for less than 500 euros. We reserved the oven, and if we do not find a better offer than that, we'll come back tomorrow and pick it up.
Super cool heater. She gave us a great price, including stones, even the water tank to go on top. Let's see.
Ryhmäkuva Suomen joukkueesta. Irlanti juoksee jo vihreissään kentälle.
We're in Inari at a very special place. It's called Popana. This is the northernmost live venue in Finland. So yeah, I've been here once before. But we're gonna go in, get something to eat, have a couple of drinks and relax. Let's go.
After a couple of drinks, the first local came up and started chatting to us. He promised to light up the sauna for us later on that night, but as the night progressed, with each drink, that dream got further and further away. A little later on, an Inuk music rap producer came and joined us. Then one of the local Finnish veteran rappers came along and started.
Ja sama mekään mun puolesta jo. Näin vaan, tuotetaan freeze. Taidit ja...
And then his protege joined in.
Niinku rännit ne puottaa vittu juomaa vittu alas. Muutama hyvä, mutta...
I was about to say that. Yeah, I was about to say that.
No, silloin...
Due to Corona, the bar had to close a little bit earlier than usual, so we moved the party into the back of our van.
What is the place we are going next?
2 Finnish, a German, an Australian and an Inuk were in the back of a van. Kind of sounds like a bit of a joke.
What the fuck?
Is that right?
It turned into a local Finnish rap battle in downtown Inari.
Question is, why are we in the motherfucking trunk?
Why are we in the trunk?
Näin se menee ja meikä näyttää kieltä. Meikä näyttää vittu sitä kieltä. Tää vittu päässä hulluna. Ihan sama ei sit tarvii jättää tähän, koska me edelleenkin vittu lentää läppiä jo vähän. Te tehki, että jos halutaan
We were there until, I don't know, 4 o'clock in the morning or something. It was a great experience, I can't wait to go back.
It's our last day in Finland. We have to be out by midnight tonight. Otherwise, we have to go into quarantine when we get back to Norway.
And so now we're going to find another sauna oven. Hopefully we go to Ivalo and then we turn around and go all the way back. We need to double back on ourselves to Hetta and then back into Norway. But we thought we'd stop at this amazing place and just look at this. The snow started today actually.
This is gonna do me well. Right, we're back in Kittila. We're back at the place where we got the good price for the ovens and we're gonna go in and get one, so come on.
Cool. Successful mission. We're back in Norway now. We have a sauna. No, we don't. Not yet. We have a sauna oven. We have the heat rocks, an insulated flue, and we have about a 50 or 60 litre hot water tank that will go around the chimney as well, around the flue. So yeah, we're happy.
You, I am your father.
Metal stuck in my eye. Now I need to see a specialist to dig out the rest. At the moment I'm in quite a bit of pain.
Walks in the Harvia just to feel like she got wings.
First of all, what we did was we welded up this steel cage. We glued and screwed these timber battens So that you don't see any screws, we screwed everything from the back here. So on the inside, it's completely clean and crisp and sexy. We've got a stone base here, and this oven is actually attached now to the drawbar of the trailer. Pick up a porthole window from an old ship to put on the sauna. Woohoo! Nice. Tusen tack. We are nearly finished. We've got the benches installed. We've got the lights around the bottom of the benches here installed. This project has been a labor of love. We thought that it was going to be super quick, maybe 1-2 weeks. And it's now been, what, over a month, and we're still not finished. And one thing that we're super happy about is the porthole, which is the name of the sauna, so we've decided to call it the porthole sauna. Let's go. I'm so excited!
It's like so warm in here. It's like
I've got a brand new combine harvester and I'll give you the key.
Last night we had this amazing sauna. We're so happy with the way that it turned out. When you're inside the sauna, we're really surprised with how spacious it feels. It's not claustrophobic. The heat's really good, perfect size heater, and it easily accommodates 6 people. The addition of a hot water tank was just a game changer. At the end of the sauna, you mix the hot water with the cold and just pour it all over yourself. We've got the drain underneath. All the water comes out. Anyway, we've just fired it up. We're going to have one more sauna before we leave today. For the next episode, we did have this crazy idea of the hovercraft. That might be a few episodes away. But if you have any ideas of what you would like to see us do, please also feel free to comment in the comments below, and we'd love to hear your thoughts. If you would like to rent this sauna, we've got a website, www.rentasauna.no. Until the next episode, stay tuned.
good job, man.
What was that? It was beautiful.